Hi everyone, so today I am going to try a makeup look of the famous supermodel Jasmine Tookes. So firstly I'm going to apply aloe vera gel on my face. Now I'm going to use my Fit Me foundation and mix it with aloe vera gel. You can use any moisturizer and I'm going to apply it thoroughly. And I'm going to mix it well. Now for the blush, I'm going to use my neon red lipstick. So I'm just going to use it in diagonally this way. With the help of this brush, I'm going to mix it. So you can see the blush on my cheeks. Now I'm going to use my palette for just highlighting some areas. Use this white and peachy color. For the this eyebrows, I'm going to use black shiny one, and with the help of this brush, Now for the eyeshadow, I'll be using these shades as you can see in the look. These are kind of golden shades which I'm going to use. So you can see the golden tinge on my eyelids. So it's really beautifully done. Now for the lips, I'm first using my lip balm. And then for the lining, I'm using my red neon lipstick. As you can see the look. So with the help of this brush, I am taking some lipstick from here and trying to put a nice boundary first and then apply and fill it. And now I'm going to fill the inner. I'm also using my pink lipstick with it to add a bit of mix of the colors. And together you can mix it with the brush. This way it's a really cool experiment to add different lip colors because it comes up with a different look. I also use my lip balm to just mix the two lipsticks whenever I'm trying with two lipsticks. It helps to mix it and provide a full combination. So my final is the liner thing. Now for this, if you see in the pic, it's more of a light dry liner. So I'm just having that extension done with the help of this black eyeshadow. So use this kind of brush and take some of the black eyeshadow. Just draw a line here. Similarly this side. So this look of mine is almost done, and now I'm just going to change and add some accessory to complete the look, and let's see how it looks. So I've tied my hair really tightly into a nice ponytail as it is there in the look, and now I'm going to use my H&M golden earrings to complete the look. So you can see how my whole look has come up. I have put up a tight ponytail, and with any outfit, like any cool outfit, you can try this look, and overall it just looks really cool and up to date. So do try something like this. So I hope you like my this makeup look, and you would try something like this, because with a nice ponytail, a tight ponytail, and if you have red lips and eyeshadow, golden one, it looks really superb on any western outfit you can try. So please subscribe my channel for more makeup looks coming up, and share the video so that more people can view and we can just collaborate and share ideas, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification because I'm coming up with more cool videos. Bye bye.